Hi everyone. Kalika Chetarike, class 7th standard, subject social English medium. Geography part, learning factor 18 about continents. Already we completed activity solutions for directions and maps. So adana yaru watch madilvo nee watch madi. So in this session we are going to look about the activity solutions for learning factor 18. Welcome to the talk. Learning factor 18, it is about a continents. Learning outcome, locating continents and oceans using world map. So let's learn what are continents, oceans and seas anta helidare. So continents andre large land masses present on the earth. And there are 7 continents of the world. Yavadu andre Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. And oceans, we can say that huge body of salt water, fine. And 5 major oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. About sea, it is smaller than ocean. We can say completely or partially enclosed by land. Example, Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea. And bay, it is a broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inwards. Example, Bay of Bengal near India and Hudson Bay, Canada. Gulf, a deep inlet of the sea almost surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. Arabian Gulf, Persian Gulf, countries like Qatar, Oman, Iraq, Kuwait. Fine. So we can say that 71% of land area that is of earth consists of water in the form of oceans and 29% are land masses, that is continents. So learning sheet 30. Now activity 1, children, we have learnt about continents, ocean and seas. Now let's locate them in the world map anta helidare. So you can see here illi continents na locate madidare. This is Asia continent, largest continent in the world, and it includes 49 countries surrounded by 3 oceans. Indian Oceans to the south, Pacific Ocean to the east and Arctic Ocean to the north. Fine. And this is Australia continent, smallest continent in the world. It includes only the 3 countries. And this is Africa continent, 54 countries. And South America, 12 countries. And North America includes 23 countries. Antarctica, no countries. It is the coldest continent. So activity 2. Take the world map from your school and locate continents and oceans on the map along with your friends anta helidare. So activity, you can refer above map. And activity 3, an outline world map is given below. Let's color the continents, name them and answer the questions. So color ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia and Australia, Antarctica. So learning outcome, will know about the geographical position of the continents on the map atlas with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Now we know to locate the continents, but it is impossible to mark them accurately. So with the help of longitudes and latitudes and directions, we can locate them accurately. So one small story is here, short story. So let's learn about the latitudes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟು ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲ್ಯಾಂಜಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟು ಯಾವ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಿಲೇಜ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇನ್ ಹೊನ್ನಳ್ಳಿ ತಾಲೂಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. India is in Asia continent and Asia continent is on the earth planet. And the teacher is asking the question, what is the shape of the earth, and she is giving, it is like a round like a ball. Then ma'am gave a ball to her and asked her to identify her village. Identify ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. she was not able to identify her village. So think ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. Then she came to know that specific position of the village can't be identified until the horizontal and vertical lines drawn on the spherical object is given ಅಂತ ಅವಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಳು. ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ ಶೇಪ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್, ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಲೈನನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್, ಫೈನ್, ಗ್ಲೋಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್ 181 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ and they are called as a latitudes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. this, fine, and this is the equator, 0 degree. This is the important latitude. This equator divides the earth into two equal halves, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So these are the horizontal imaginary lines, and you know that directions, right? This is a north and this is south. So north pole and south pole. So ಈ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪೋಲಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೈನನ್ನು ಸೌತ್ ಪೋಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮೆರಿಡಿಯನ್. ಈ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮೆರಿಡಿಯನನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅನೇಕ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ these lines are called as meridians. Fine. And these lines vertically from the north to south pole ಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. They are called as a longitudes. Fine. So this prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, that is this is eastern hemisphere and this is western hemisphere. Equator divides the earth into two equal halves, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Prime meridian, it divides the earth into two equal halves, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. This is horizontal lines, these are the vertical lines. I think I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And there are totally 181 latitudes and 360 longitudes. So to locate a specific place on the earth, latitudes and longitudes and the directions play a vital role, and these are known as coordinates. Learning sheet 31, activity 1, write the latitudes and longitudes of the 7 continents of the world on the given map anta helidare, and each continent begins and ends at which latitude and longitude. Get the help of your textbook or teacher anta helidare. Now you know this is the equator, right? And these are the latitudes, imaginary lines. So man ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಲೈನ್ಸನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ earth, fine. And these are the vertical lines, they are the longitudes, you can see here, 0 degree, fine. This is prime meridian, this is equator, and you have to locate the continents. And you have to write this continents: Asia, latitude, longitudes, and North America and South America. Then first ಹೇಗೆ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 degree 16 n to 77 degree 41 n ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಂಜಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್, ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓದಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. You know the abbreviation of north, east, south and west, that is NSEW. N for north, S for south, E for east and W for west. ಮೇಲಲ್ಲಿ 1 line ಇದ್ರೆ it is a minute, and 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ it is a seconds, right? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕಿದು, 1 degree 16 minutes north to 77 degree 41 minutes north. Longitude 26 degree 0.04 minutes east to 169 degree 0.40 minutes west. So North America latitudes and longitudes idu. Hage South America latitudes and longitudes. Now you know how to read also. And Antarctica, this is within the Antarctica circle, or you can write 66 degree 30 degrees south latitude. And Europe latitude and longitude, Australia latitude and longitude, and Africa latitude and longitude. So on the given Asia map, identify and mark India. Name 2 countries on each direction, east, west, north, south anta helidare. So you have to mark it in this. India illide alva. So east Thailand, Myanmar. To the west Saudi Arabia, Yemen. North Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. To the south Indian Ocean. That's my learning. We completed the learning theme, activity solutions. And learning point, I know what I understood. I can express my understanding. I can express factors related to this. Then you can tick, and this is the teacher's feedback. We completed the activity solutions. If you think this video can help a student, kindly share anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಇರಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಿಳಿಸಬಹುದು. ಕೀಪ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.